Folks, the electric vehicle sector is showing major upside growth. Look, I was looking at the data for global EV market last weekend, and the numbers are looking rock solid. In India, get this, the electric vehicle market is expected to grow by 90% to touch $150 billion by 2030. In the first 8 months of 2021, sales of electric vehicles in China more than tripled to 1.48 million units, compared with a 17.1% increase for the overall auto market. That's huge, but it gets even better. According to Deloitte, EV sales are likely to grow at a clip of a 29% annual rate through 2030 globally. So, with clear multi-year industry tailwinds, this industry is set to be one of the hottest sectors over the next few years. If you consider the growth over the past 5 to 7 years, you'll notice that the level of competition is increasing tremendously. What's even more impressive is the fact that large companies such as Ford, General Motors, Volkswagen are jumping headfirst into this industry. While nothing is happening overnight, the future for EV looks very bright. And I want to talk about a few stocks that I'm seeing substantial upside potential ahead. First one, Li Auto Inc., ticker symbol LI. This is an innovator in energy vehicle market. The company designs, develops, manufactures, and sells premium smart electric SUVs. It's based in China, so we have to take what they say with a big grain of salt. It is what it is. Earnings estimates have been revised higher last few quarters. The stock has 5 strong buy recommendations. Earnings came out a few days back, and the company said its vehicle delivery growth jumped 190% for the next quarter, and the company estimates even stronger performance. The company has 160 retail stores in over 80 cities and currently has over $7 billion in cash. Now, the price is breaking out of a 1-year high, and I believe we'll see sharp upside move over the next quarter, taking us to the $44 level over the next 12 weeks. Next stock, Lucid Group, ticker symbol LCID. This is an automotive company which specializes in electric cars. Lucid, formerly known as Churchill Capital, is headquartered in Newark, California. Not Newark, New York, but Newark, California. I didn't know there was a Newark in California. I learned things here too. The stock went up 445% over the last 12 months. In September, the company announced the Lucid Air Dream Edition range. It's received an official EPA of 520 miles of range. That means you can go to Las Vegas and back. 520 miles, that's amazing. This is the longest range EV ever rated by the EPA. More recently, Lucid Air was rated Car of the Year by Motor Trends. As of November 2021, there were more than 15,000 reservations. The initial response was very encouraging so far. And with a wider launch, the company's positioned for growth in 2022 and beyond. I'm seeing a strong technical upside pattern on the stock and a potential price move to the $65 level over the next 12 weeks. With the level of momentum we're seeing right now, and with the market starting to focus on the EV stocks again, I think this is a really good time to start looking at these 2 stocks right now. Hope that helps. Folks, there's a trifecta system that's made it possible to win in all 3 market climates with a 633% average return. It's the triple threat synergy that's helped Chuck Hughes earn 7 figures last year alone in all 3 market cycles: bull market, bear market, and choppy market. Chuck's about to explain how it's let a small group of traders earn 330%, 274%, 251%, and even 105% on their entire simulated brokerage account in just 3 months. And get this, and how it's helped him personally grow one of his accounts 142% on average. But get this, not once, every month in 15 months. That's amazing. Click on the link below to join Chuck's training. Make sure to like this video. Subscribe to this channel if you're watching on YouTube. Stay ahead of the market. Be the first to be notified when we post our next video. And have a great day.